So I'm currently in the process of building a loft conversion. Well, rather the builder is, because I'm not doing it. I am just sitting here and watching it all come together. But while this is happening, it's made it very difficult to put together any videos really. I have put together the Corelec one you seen the other day, and as well as that review. But apart from that, it's very difficult to produce voiceovers for these videos because I've got drilling going on, banging, and so on, and it's very dirty as well. And I mean, there's dirt everywhere, and it's very difficult. Even with cleaning every single day, it's almost impossible. But anyway, I'm in the UK. We've got some pretty strict building regulations that we have to follow, and I thought I'd just go over a few things while I've got the chance to actually produce a video. So here we have the actual old entrance to the second bedroom. The second bedroom in my house was massive, it really was. In my opinion, it was too big, it was hard to heat, and it just felt too big. Even with my two kids sleeping in there, it was too big, it was ridiculous really. So we've split that bedroom in two basically. And the first half of this bedroom is now going to become the hallway, the new hallway, as well as that it's going to house the actual staircase going into the loft. Now we've got really high ceilings in this house, so we have had to have that, ordered and made up. So it's going to be a few weeks before that is ready. And we've got this brand new stud wall now. This has got the fire door at the end, and yes, we have to have fire doors replacing every single door, internal door in this house, which is ridiculous to be honest with you. But there we go, that's building regulations. They change their mind every 2 minutes. And another annoying issue about building regulations is if we have a look up and we can actually see the new flooring joists. Well, they are massive. They are massive hunks of wood. And if it was a couple of months previously, we wouldn't have needed them. The actual original beams would have been absolutely fine. They were more than strong enough. But no, we've had to include massive chunks of wood to reinforce it. But there we go. That's just the way building regulations are in this country. But never mind, it's just added an extra couple of quid onto my bill at the end of the day. But anyway, if we have a look further as well, we can see the old lathe and lime plaster lining of this house. This is 1940s build, so yeah, we've got this really irritating old lathe and lime plaster, which makes a hell of a mess. There was dust billowing out my front door for ages yesterday when we were pulling the old ceiling down, and yeah, wow, dust everywhere, and I mean everywhere. But anyway, let's go into the roof, and we can see the massive joists butted up against the old joists. As well as that, we can see the new flooring that's been put down. We've got chicken wire, and as well as that, it's coupled with rock wool, and that's basically fire protection. That's to actually give at least 30 minutes of fire protection if there was ever a fire in the house. Obviously, there will be alarm systems as well installed. It has to be a wired alarm system. It can't be independent or battery powered. It has to be a wired system for whatever reason. But anyway, that's just the way it is. As well as that, we've got the original Velux. This Velux must be pretty old, but it's still in pretty decent shape. And we're going to add another one just around the corner, as well as that. So far, it's coming together pretty well. They've been at it for about 6 days in total, so they've got quite a bit of work done. We've still got another couple of weeks to go, really, before it's finished. But so far, so good.